Welcome to Trang An, one of Vietnam's most breathtaking natural wonders. Nestled in Ninh Binh province, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its stunning limestone karsts, peaceful waterways, and ancient temples. If you're planning a trip here, stay tuned because I've got all the travel tips and reminders to make your adventure unforgettable. How to get to Trang An? Getting to Trang An is easy. If you're coming from Hanoi, you can take a bus, train, or private car to Ninh Binh. The journey takes about 2.5 hours, depending on traffic and your chosen mode of transport. By train, depart from Hanoi railway station to Ninh Binh station. From there, take a taxi or motorbike to Trang An, which is about 7 kilometers away. Trains are comfortable and a scenic option. By bus, take a direct bus from Hanoi to Ninh Binh city, then hire a motorbike or taxi. The bus station is well connected, and there are frequent departures throughout the day. By private car, the most comfortable and convenient option, perfect for groups or families. It allows for flexible stops along the way to take in Vietnam's countryside. Many hotels in Hanoi offer private car services. What to expect at Trang An? Once you arrive, you'll hop on a traditional rowing boat, guided by a skilled local boatwoman. The boat ride lasts about 2 to 3 hours, taking you through hidden caves, towering limestone formations, and ancient pagodas. Each boat carries around 4 to 6 people, making it a serene and intimate experience. Ancient sites such as Tren Temple, the Kong Skull Island filming location, and Tren Temple, where you can learn about Vietnam's rich history and cultural heritage. Spectacular panoramic views of the river and mountains that make for picture-perfect moments. Don't forget your camera. Travel tips for Trang An. Before you go, here are some travel tips to make the most of your visit. Arrive early. Mornings are less crowded and cooler, making the experience more peaceful. The first boats leave around 7 a.m., so getting there early ensures fewer crowds and better lighting for photos. Bring cash. The boat ride costs around 250,000 VND, about 10 United States dollars per person, and they don't accept cards. Also, don't forget to tip your rower. They work incredibly hard to make this experience unforgettable. A small tip of 50,000 to 100,000 VND is a nice gesture. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes. You'll be sitting in a boat for hours, so opt for loose clothing and sneakers or sandals. If you plan to visit temples, wear attire that covers your shoulders and knees. Bring sun protection. A sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat are must-haves, especially in summer. The boat ride is mostly under the open sky, so be prepared. Pack light. A small backpack with water, snacks, and a camera is all you need. Heavy bags can be inconvenient on the boat. After your boat ride, make sure to try some local Ninh Binh specialties. This is con che, crispy rice and goat meat, which is a regional favorite. The flavors are amazing, and it's the perfect way to refuel after a day of exploring. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also try the Tai Chan, goat meat served with lime and chili. It's a unique flavor you won't find anywhere else. Respect local culture, dress modestly when visiting temples, and avoid loud noise to maintain the serene atmosphere. Show appreciation for the boat rowers, as they work hard to provide a smooth experience. Chat with locals to learn more about their culture. One of the things I love most about Ninh Binh is the warmth of the locals. They're always smiling and eager to share their culture with visitors. If you have the chance, stop by a local market or chat with the rowers. They often have fascinating stories to share about life in Trang An. Other nearby attractions. If you have extra time in Ninh Binh, check out these nearby attractions. Bai Dinh Pagoda, Vietnam's largest Buddhist complex with impressive architecture, massive golden Buddha statues, and stunning views. It's best visited in the afternoon when the light is softer for photos. Hang Mua, hike up 500 stone steps for the best panoramic views of Tam CCC and the countryside. It's a challenging but rewarding climb, especially at sunrise or sunset. Tam CCC, Bic Yong, another stunning boat tour experience through rice fields and caves. Often compared to Halong Bay on land, the scenery changes with the seasons, so visiting in late May or early June gives you the best golden rice field views. Final reminders. Before we wrap up, here are some final reminders. Check the weather forecast before your trip to avoid rainy days. Rain can make the boat ride less enjoyable and limit visibility. Support local businesses by buying snacks or souvenirs from the vendors. Many sell handmade crafts and delicious traditional treats. Be mindful of nature, don't litter, and respect the environment. Trang An is a protected area, so let's help keep it beautiful for future travelers. That's it for today's travel guide. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you've been to Trang An or plan to visit. See you in the next adventure. Bye.